Hey, real quick, just want to make a little recipe video for this delicious Giardiniera salami egg bagel sandwich concoction. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna just throw a little butter in the pan, start melting that, crack as many eggs as you want, get them heated up and going. Let's talk about bagels for a second. I am by no means a bagel expert, but these are the best bagels. I guess they're called Original Bagel Company. Bagels are one of those things that if they're not awesome, then they're kind of pointless to eat. What's nice about these is super fresh and they're very thick. You can easily cut the middle out and save that for later, especially if you're trying to save carbs or eat fewer carbs or whatever. The next step is to toss in a couple slices of salami. Usually just two or three slices will be enough. It goes a long way. And then the final and arguably most important step is to add the giardiniera. Pictured here is mild giardiniera. I say hot giardiniera is just better. You're gonna want that. So there we go. I've been addicted to making these sandwiches recently. It's got a decent amount of protein, and as long as you don't go too overboard with the butter or the oil in the giardiniera, it's really not too unhealthy for you. So yeah, enjoy.